Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Steven here with another tip for you. Um, so to my fellow photographers, if you go back to my last video, I was showing you how to get consistent work, and if that worked for you and everything is going great, then that's fine. You don't have to watch this video. But if you're looking for more, um, this is the video for you. So what do I mean when I say if you're looking for more? I mean if you're trying to use your experience to scale your business. Um, the information I gave you on my last video about the websites and people that are willing to hire photographers and book them for jobs, um, that's great. And you can keep getting work with them. You can keep you know um, having work on a consistent basis. But these are for my entrepreneurs that want to eventually get consistent work by themselves. Um, as far as the companies and working for somebody and just getting consistent work and stable work um, with the company, that is good. But if you want to scale your business, I would say I would work for a company for 2 years, because 2 years is not too small to not be experienced, and it's not too long to be fully committed to something else besides yourself. So what I would say is that I would take 2 years to learn everything I can, and 2 years is a good number. 2 years, you've been in a couple of situations, you've probably had a couple of mistakes, and you've had to pivot to make the shoot go well. 2 years will give you the confidence and the know-how to how to conduct yourself when it comes to dealing with clients, and how to bounce back from any kind of situations. I'd say 2 years is good. So I would go with 2 years. I would learn everything I can from the company. I would learn how the company operates and how they do things, and see how I can incorporate some of that into my own personal business. Um, we're not talking about LLCs and really just going the full entrepreneur route. If you guys want that, let me know. We can make a video about that. But for right now, I'm just saying, um, getting your foot pretty much out of a safety net and figuring it out for yourself. With these 2 years, of course, with the client's permission, you constantly show the work that you've done to social media, especially Instagram. Um, you do it because you want to build your own clientele. And when you're trying to build your own clientele, it's going to be from the people that you frequent or you deal with on a day-to-day, or maybe every now and then base. But in the meantime, while they're not seeing you, they should be seeing your work, and they should be associating you with photography. So don't just show them the work, don't just show them the end product, also show them the process. Like, something that I like to do, I like to do I guess fast forward of the editing process. I think that's the thing that makes me stand out, my editing. They could see that, they could see the work, they could see behind the scenes. Just little clips on Instagram here and there. Eventually, somebody that you do know, they're gonna need work. They're gonna probably need engagement shoot, event photography. I'm not really a fan of event photography, but if you are, more power to you. All kinds of things. And with that, you're building a clientele, not right away, but they're gonna see it with all the consistent work that you keep showing and you keep pumping into social media. And once you get the experience and you're ready to leave, which I feel like 2 years, you should it should be able to learn everything you need to know about a company by then. You do your own thing. And like I said, they have to associate you with photography. You know, within these 2 years, you know, you should figure out what kind of photography you like doing. Hopefully, you figured out a good name that stands out, that makes you different, and then you get to the point where you're gonna have your own clientele that you can maintain, and that could, you know, give you a healthy living. I mean, not one size fits all. You know, obviously you're gonna have to have a thing that makes you stick out, and you know, more power to you. Good luck. But this is another way I would say that you build a following or build a clientele, especially with, you know, the app, or not the app, the website that hires photographers. That's one good way to make your work known. And another thing, some of these websites, they have a review section. What I would do is that I would save the review and I would post it, whether it's to my Instagram or my story, but I will post it with the work that I have. And once people start seeing that you get a lot of good reviews, they're gonna, you know, respect you as a photographer. And when it's time to get work, they're gonna go to you. I could say that in so many ways, but I'm not trying to be repetitive. If you guys have any questions or you guys want me to cover anything, feel free to hit me up. Also, be sure to check out my website, newbrandphotography.com, and feel free to check out my work also at New Brand Photography on Instagram. If you guys have anything, you know, anything pressing, feel free to hit me up here, obviously. And I will catch you guys later. Peace.